Hello, kids. Today we have a special story. Are you ready? Let's go.
One morning, Ali woke up early. Today was a big day. It's Eid al-Adha, he said with a big smile. He wore his white clothes and helped his father. "Let's go to the mosque," said father. At the mosque, Ali joined the Eid prayer. Many people were there. It was a happy day. After the prayer, Ali saw a goat and a cow. "Why are they here?" he asked. "This is for Qurbani," said father. It means sacrifice. We remember Prophet Ibrahim, and we share meat with the poor. Ali helped his mother put the meat into bags. Then they gave it to neighbors and people in need. At home, Ali ate delicious food, satay and ketupat. He played with his friends and said, "Eid Mubarak." Ali felt happy and thankful to Allah. "I love Eid al-Adha," he said.
And that's the story of Ali's Eid al-Adha. It is not just about food. It's about love, kindness, and helping others. Let's always remember to share and say thank you to Allah. Eid Mubarak, everyone.